Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will assemble and inflate tires with the correct tire pressure. By the end of this video, you will be able to assemble the tube and tire, inflate the tire to the correct pressure. Let us collect the tools, equipment and materials required for this. Trainee's toolkit 1, tire lever 1, hammer 16 pounds 1, wheel spanner 1, jack 1, compressor 1, pressure gauge 1, soap oil as required, cotton waste as required, French chalk powder as required. Assembling the tire and tube. Check the inner area of the tire for stones and nails. Apply French chalk powder on the inner surface of the tire and tube assembly. If there is any damage, then apply a patch on the inner area. Insert the tube into the tire. Inflate the tire to low pressure, about 5 to 10 pounds. Insert the mouth of the tube into the rim and tighten using a valve tool. Insert the tire lever in between the beading and the rim and press the tire so that it sets correctly. Ensure that the lever does not damage the tire and tube assembly. Inflating the tube and assembling. After setting the assembly, tighten the valve core using an appropriate tool. Load the tube with compressed air based on the manufacturer's specifications. Inspect the tube valve core using soap water to detect any leaks. Assemble the tire and rim assembly using nuts and tighten them gently. Reload the jack slowly. Tighten the wheel nuts to the correct torque as per the manufacturer's specification. Remove the wheel choke or handbrake. In this video, we have learned how to assemble the tube and tire, inflate the tire to the correct pressure. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.